Welcome to qnawire.
So in this question, we are looking at a normal distribution. I'll start by drawing it. The total area under this curve is 1, or 100%, and it is symmetric. Its mean is 9 years, with a standard deviation of 2 years. So we have to know the shape of a distribution in order to answer this question, so that's why we've gone with a normal distribution. I believe it is a normal question. This company is going to have a warranty. They will give a new TV if your TV breaks in the shortest 10% of TV lifespans. So I'm going to mark that here. I can call it P10, the 10th percentile, defined as the point where 10% of the curve is below it. So 10% of TVs will fail before this point, and then the company replaces them. The other 90% will last longer. So here's the sketch. To find this, you need something with the normal distribution built into it. The functions here are too complicated to compute this by hand. So you could use a Z-score table, you could use software like Excel. I'm going to use my TI-84 calculator with the inverse normal function. It has 3 inputs: area, mean, standard deviation. This is the inverse cumulative function. You put in the cumulative area, the area to the left, so 0.1, and it's going to give me the corresponding value on this curve. So mean of 9, standard deviation of 2. The output is 6.44 to 2 decimals of nearest tenth. Okay, 6.4 to the nearest tenth. And that is in years.